welcome to the Gateway Hotel, and we are in room number 221. Let me show you the room. This is the entrance lobby, and what do we have here? Let's see. Wow, this is automatics, you see? That's the ironing board, and this gets closed. The light is by sensor. I love this mirror. And we have here tea making stuff, and let's see the washroom. Wow, guys, how's the washroom? I think it's very nice. I like it. This is the first time, I think. This is my first experience of Taj Hotel. And here is the most important corner of the room, the shower. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have here shampoos and conditioner. What else? Oh, I love it. The lighting and the variety in the shower. So I just can't wait to get started and enjoy my shower. But not now. Let me show you the room further. Okay. Yes, it is washroom. And we have, look at this one. The soap case is so good. And let's see what do we have here. Oh, this is a cupboard to place your things. And welcome to the room. Look at the beautiful fluffy bed. And I love the mirror, you know. They have mirror everywhere, so that you can feel good about yourself. And another mirror again. And we have that AC remote. And look at this picture. You know, I feel like this is so royal.
Here I am.
And here's my husband. Thank you. Who has actually planned this? This was a surprise. And look at this beautiful painting. You feel like you're you're getting some royal treatment. And look at this lighting. And that's my son's song. And you see this one? This is, I don't know. This is really cool. It's like, wow. And look at the bed and the pillow. And you should see this one. I'll show you. It's like a huge one. So let me. Yeah, you have it. So it's like, like a wardrobe of the kings and queens. Yeah. Careful. Yes. And we have more here and a TV. And yeah, let's see this one. I like the small drawers. This remind me of all the Hollywood movies about royalty. And here we have a study desk. Wow, this is so cool. I like this table and chair. This kind of stationery, I totally like it. This is so good. So good. And you can do study, you can write your thoughts. And they have, see, a writing pad, the Gateway Hotel. And a nice, lovely pencil. And that's my son. Yeah, he's gonna write something. And hello. And then we have here again phone. Yeah, it's very nice. They have kept the notebook like as if you might get some great ideas while sleeping. So they have placed writing pad near to you. And yeah, my son is very excited. And that's my husband again. And look at the curtains. This is so royal. Wow. Oh my God. Are you ready for the view? Are you ready for the view? I am ready for the view. Let's see. Ta-da! Tell me what do you feel? Oh, it feels like, I feel like I'm some queen or princess getting a royal treatment. Look at the bird and the sunlight. Wow. Guys, this is so good. I love the curtains. You see? It is very, very nice. It's really, really good feeling. Totally good. So this was Let me show you. This was the what is it? The Gateway Hotel, and it's a part of Taj, which I got to know just once I entered. I was like, this hotel looks like Taj, and then my husband says, this is Taj. This is a part of Taj. I was like, wow, we have a Taj experience. So and definitely thanks for this experience to my husband. The pride goes to him, and I hope you like my excitement and me sharing this beautiful room with you guys. Bye-bye. So we'll meet in the next adventure.